That is a very good question. So let's start from the very beginning. PAL-E, so Professional Agile Leadership Essentials course, is an entry level for managers, leaders that want to transition from traditional management towards agile leadership, the leadership that agile teams, Scrum teams are looking for the leadership that will help them bloom, that will help them become the best teams, creating the best possible products. So our current format, typical format, is simple, I would say classical to today class, today workshops. And this format works pretty well if you can focus for around 16 hours and you have ability and support in your organization to apply learnings from the class. However, what happens, and it happened to some of my students, it might be difficult to digest everything. It might be extremely difficult to come back after those 2 days to your professional environment and start implementing changes. I even remember my course participant, amazing woman, and she said, "Oh my God, Joanna, what I'm gonna do right now? So many inspirations, and now I feel overwhelmed." So I'm excited about immersive class, this immersive initiative, because it brings solutions to some of those problems. So instead of spending 2 days together, we have regular shorter modules, for instance, every week, and we focus on one area, we learn, we discuss, and then there is a break. This break will be used by our delegates to apply learning in their professional environment. So I believe it's no longer a workshop, it's rather a journey that delegates choose to start with us, and I'm super excited because I feel it can help create a better relationship between me and course participant, and I have a very strong feeling that I can support my my course participants better. So I'm looking forward to that experience.